We have 3 cats. We have a different assortment of litter boxes, and I have a new litter box that is my absolute favorite, and I want to tell you all about it. I'm going to show you this litter box in action, but first, just let me give you some of the stats while you enjoy our cats checking it out for the first time. We have now had this for weeks and we've been using it and loving it, and our cats are loving it, but I just want to give you some of the highlights. So first of all, it's an extra large capacity. One of our cats is over 15 pounds and it is plenty big for him. Obviously, the cats don't get in there at the same time. We had another robot litter box, and the design of this far surpasses any other one that we've had. The way the tray is where you collect the dirty litter is so streamlined and so clean. We absolutely love it. It's high tech. It comes with an exclusive smart app. We actually get notified and it tells us our cats' names when they're in the litter box. It has a scale in it. It tells you how much they weigh, how long they were in there, and you can kind of keep track of who's in the litter box at what time. It's self-cleaning and it has a very quiet motor. When it spins, you cannot hardly hear it. It's awesome. Now we keep this in our basement, so we wouldn't probably hear it anyways, but it's nice and quiet for the cats. It doesn't spook them or scare them. We've left the other litter boxes in our basement next to this one just to kind of adjust them to the new box and see which one they choose now that they have several choices. And this is hands down the favorite. This was gifted to us and we absolutely love it. If cats could talk, I think they would give it a 5-star review, and we definitely do.